Hi guys, this is Hina, the fashion doctor. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your sexy clothes a little more classy or just more wearable in public. And I know what you're thinking. Well, Hina, the answer is to just cover it up. You're right, it is to cover it up and to dress it down or dress it up. But there's a way to do it. There's a way to balance how much you show and how much you conceal. And I understand that that balance is different for everyone, but I hope you can use these little tips I'm going to give you to apply it to yourselves. So the first piece of clothing I want to talk about is the exercise bra. Now girls, I get you. You want to wear it out in public maybe, but you want to add something extra to it. You want it to not be a Zumba outfit, you want to be a dancer's outfit. I suggest wearing it with a mesh net wrap. And I love this one particularly because it's black, it goes with anything really, and also you can tie it up into a cute little bow after you wrap it around your waist. So that is one way to make an exercise bra to go from, oh, I'm going to the gym to, oh, I have a dance class. And also I've paired it with these black yoga pants, which is really just a very comfortable combination. The next piece of clothing I want to talk about are those sexy lingerie pieces, specifically bodysuits that are sitting around in your wardrobe. You know, it's just sitting there and you're like, no, I can't wear it in public. Well, let me tell you, you can, and there's a way. And you can control how much you end up showing. So I'm gonna take this wonderful lacy baby blue and tinge of green bodysuit, which is super see-through, and I'm gonna pair it with a button-down shirt. Now, button-down shirts just take a lot of outfits to a different level, but when you kind of contrast it with the inner laciness, and again, I'm not showing a lot, there's just that peak of lace, it takes the outfit to a more interesting level. It's not just casual, it's, oh, I'm casual, but you know, I'm kind of cute and sexy too. So don't be afraid to wear that. I specifically went for a very monochromatic look. I feel like it looks good with jeans and heels. And really you can, again, control how much you end up showing with the buttons. You can wear this outfit, I feel, to picnics, and I would wear it to the mall with friends. I'd feel pretty comfortable and warm because you know what, malls are cold. On to the third outfit. For the third outfit, I actually tried to do something about a strapless top. And this is actually a bodysuit, so it's more secure on the bottom, which is fine. But for strapless tops, I always feel a bit of trepidation in wearing it in a more social setting, just because I'm always very concerned about pulling it up, like, oh no, is it slipping too down? What kind of bra do I wear with it? It's great, honestly, I love strapless tops, but I'm also allergic to the little piece of silicone that a lot of them put. So when I wear them, I like wearing them with maybe a vest. I feel like they're not worn very often, especially by girls, so this is a way that you can stand out. This one I actually paired with a vest that I bought at a vintage store in Italy. Oh, and that's another thing I recommend, vintage shopping in different countries. It's just interesting what you can find. And I love this piece. I haven't gotten rid of it because it goes with a lot of different tops that are skin tight that I still want to wear, but at the same time I'm like, oh, you know, I can layer this and it will look way better. So yeah, girls, you will stand out a tiny bit more when you wear that vest that no one else is wearing. Fourth outfit. So the fourth outfit is this combination that I would not normally wear. On top we have this sort of lacy material that's actually a bodysuit. And on the bottom, we have these comfortable short shorts. I would not normally wear them together because I'm hip conscious. And also I feel like this outfit would be for a very hot day or maybe the club scene. But if I want to make it more classy, I'm going to add a blazer, specifically a long blazer that's sleeveless. The combination just goes so well together. It hides the hips, it shows just enough of the laciness in front. It's very comfortable and yeah. Maybe you guys have blazers that you can throw on. On to the fifth example. So for the fifth outfit, I actually wanted to do something with a halter top, but not just any halter top. This top was specifically meant for swimwear. And I have one more example like this coming up, but I feel like swimwear, if worn properly, can be transitioned into regular wear, and you don't just need to wear it for swimming or summer. You know, you can wear it in the spring, you can wear it in the fall. And in this case, I've actually paired this halter top with a denim pencil skirt and a denim jacket. Together, they actually look pretty good. And again, all I'm really exposing is my midriff. I'm actually very comfortable exposing my midriff. I don't know, it might be a cultural thing because I know in India they wear saris, but yeah, I'm just very comfortable showing my midriff. And I feel like if you don't want to show the top half entirely, then you can wear that. Hell, you can throw that jacket off too. But I'm just saying, if you are interested in wearing clothes like these, but you want to know how to style them, this is one example. So for the sixth example, I actually have yet another bikini top. And this bikini top is just a white bandeau with those little straps for the armholes. And I paired it with palazzo pants that are actually waist high. Along with that, I have some accessories. I've got my faux tortoise shell sunglasses and my sun hat and this amazing watch, which is really cool because the band is actually made out of fabric. The combination of all of this with that sexy bikini top is actually very classy. It feels very, I'm taking a vacation in the Hamptons. And it really is a vacation outfit. Wear it to Hawaii, wear it wherever. But in this manner, you can actually wear bikini tops. I feel like a lot of high-waisted bottoms and pants, and palazzo pants specifically, they look really good with bikini tops. I feel like they balance out the outfit a little. And I'm sure people who want to exaggerate the length of their legs would love palazzo pants too. Outfit number 7. So this is the second to last little outfit that I put together. And the top is a very sexy top. It's one of those wrap blouses that you really don't wear with anything underneath, and it just ties under your bust. And it's super sexy and adorable. But you know what? I want to make this work appropriate. I want to make sure that instead of just being able to wear it on Saturday and Sunday when I go to see my friends, I actually wear it to work. Because let's face it, 5 days a week, you're going to spend more time at work than anywhere else. So you might as well look good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wear a slip underneath, and instead of tying it, I'm going to tuck it inside, but on opposite ends. And voila. There you have it. You have a work-appropriate outfit that you've made from the same top that you would wear outside while hanging out with your friends, or maybe 70s night. I don't know. But the point is, it really works together, and you can just transform an outfit by styling it differently. Outfit number 8, I've basically just taken this bra. And this bra is really pretty. But if I wore it underneath some clothes, not only would you not see how cool that bra is and how well sewn it is actually, there would also be multiple indentations on the clothes that I'm wearing, and it would look weird. So instead, I've decided to show the bra. I've paired it with these ankle-high pants. There's gonna be an insert right here because I would love to wear the real thing, but I seem to have either lost or donated pants. I tried to find it in my wardrobe, but my wardrobe is something like the Chronicles of Narnia, and the deeper you go into it, the more clothes you find. You don't find any magical realm, sorry, you just find more stuff. But here's the insert, and I hope it helps. I basically styled that bra with this amazing organza top or coat. I'm gonna call it a coat. And it's sheer, it's see-through. You see the beauty of what I'm wearing underneath it. And below I have those ankle-high pants and those gorgeous red heels. So that, guys, is just how you style a bra. You cover it up. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. And I hope you use it as an excuse to bust out that swimwear that you haven't been able to wear, or that expensive lingerie that you thought you'd be wearing a lot more, even if underneath clothing. I'm just trying to say there's a way to style it so that you can take this clothing from one area of life and just wear it out in public. Everything just depends on how you wear it and how you carry yourself. And if your judgy relatives or your strict Indian parents tell you, oh my God, you're showing too much skin, tell them Hina said it was okay. Or maybe don't, because then they'll find out I have a YouTube channel. I just find it interesting how some cultures find it appropriate to show cleavage and some just find it appropriate to show your midriff. I feel like everything just changes with time, and it has more to do with how you want to express yourself and whether or not the crowd you hang out with accepts the way you express yourself. So I hope you guys enjoy that and see you next time. Bye.